Okay, another day, another bathroom. A lot of these bathrooms we run into are just very compact, and there's just not much you can do with them. In this case, I'm going to show you, we have a standalone shower that's coming out, so that's going to create more space. And the tub wall is, you'll see, coming out a little too far. But they're not moving the tub, so we didn't really gain anything there. And you'll see when I go in there, across from the bathtub is the vanity, but the vanity wall has a little pop out here, so we're going to try to shrink that down so the vanity can go back. But there's not a lot you can do with some of these small bathrooms except remodel them and make them nice and pretty. Okay, so like I said, these bathrooms are really crowded, typically anyway. And here we come into the room and there's a pop out here. It's like a 2x6 framing on inside a 2x4, and that's to accommodate the vent pipe right here. So we may be able to just bring this back because right here it's too crowded. So this bathroom has seen better days, and the customer has already just had enough of it. They actually did some work years ago and did some fixing, but it's over now, and in fact it even backed up again. So like I said, this door has to change. We're going to stick it over a little bit, because this is going to cut back to here. If you can see it in the picture, it's really hard. Stand in the corner. That corner has to go back because the tub's going to be, that'll pick up a good 7 inches there. And then this cubby over here, which is a shower. Another one of these Long Beach crowded showers. We talk about them all the time with a 5-foot shower head. I don't know whose idea that was back in the day. This all gets tore out and just becomes an open area, so they can make a linen closet there if they want. But we're going to gut this room, and like I said, get a new cabinet. Everything's new, of course, new floor. But trouble. So, like I said, next time you hate your job, try my job. Tear this out. You're going to see in 5 hours this room's going to be empty. Okay, you've seen this before. You got to tear it all out. And here's one reason you want to tear it out, because behind the scenes, rusted. See, it's all rusted out. And up there, mold. At least mildew and possibly mold. So it's really good to get this stuff out of here. We're going to get rid of this header and everything. Step back over here, because this is like the world's smallest bathroom. We've all got one in our house. And so there it is. Plaster's coming off everywhere. Now, like I said, this 4-inch vent is in this wall. That's why it's a 2x6 wall. And they framed it all the way over, even behind. They framed it behind the vanity. We're going to eliminate this here because that's the kind of work we do. We've got just enough room to cut these studs down and get this to a 2x4 wall over to here, behind the toilet. So it's a good day indeed. It's a mess though. Okay, this is how you do it. In this case, we just tore out all the framing because we're going to put a larger door, a wider door. So we tore it all out and it's got to be reframed. You come inside, all that stuff is gone. It's a hard day of demo. Alright? And you find out you got a little floor damage. Nothing we can't handle. But remember, this wall was 2x6 and this one's 2x4. So what did I do? I cut it up. It's not going to fall down, people. But look at that. I had to get this back. I picked up that 2 inches. Critical for the clearance here. This wall is going to be shorter. Before the wall came clear out to here, the vanity was here. You could hardly get your cat through there, you know. And now we're going to make it perfect. We scored because the venting dirty arms over to the big vent. This is the reason the wall is 2x6. It's a 4-inch vent for the toilet. Got the big old knuckle on there. And it's got to be a thicker wall. But we're going to reframe it to here, just behind the toilet only. And then we can even put a medicine cabinet. So, putting it back together. Okay, a lot of times you got to put a switch exactly where they want it. And there's no way to do it, but there's always a way. So check it out. Come in here now. When you come in the door, swing the door to your left, right? You want the switch to your right. That's why you get this bay here. Can't put the box in there. There's wood there. So, got to be smarter than the average 2x4. Cut out a hole. Watch this. How do you cut that out? Watch the pros. Showed you this tool before. It's a killer. See, so then you got to butcher it. But you get that dude out of there so you can get your power where you want it. Where you want the switch. Next time you're mad about working for your boss, look at this, a 4-inch block cut out, and there's 3 nails. 1, 2, 3. Just to keep you on your toes. But we're going to win. Okay, so that's enough. See, the box fits in there. You follow me, people? I've been trying to teach you this stuff. Okay, see? It didn't fit right here. And now you go down here, and you slip it in the little spot there. Okay, I do so many projects, I forget to document them all. Another bathroom. Look at this, little baby room. Oh man, it's so dark in here. But insulation at the ceiling, at the outside wall. And why is there nothing there? Because we're going to put a bottle niche. Get with it, people. Alright, and medicine cabinet. In this case, remember I told you we're cutting the wall out? Then we framed it over. Butcher job. Man, I'm good with the old hatchet, let me tell you. Alright, update. It's painted. The lights are coming on. And here's your door. See, we took that door and we rehung it a different way. So we had to move the switch over like I showed you, and then it's a little bit wider door too. So opens this way, the vanity here, you'll see that later. Some good advice, even if there's no snowman around. Wait a minute, these are my towel guys. They're sitting around. Can you believe that? Man, there's just a few empty boxes, not too much. Let's see what he got done. Okay. You float the wall if you're good. You don't put board on there. You can't have a door though. Look at that. He puts a door right on top of my... Because he doesn't want to scratch anything. Doesn't want to drop it. This is a tough shower. Look at all the little pieces. Most people go big. The last one we did, 24 by 48. This one here is 4 inches by 8 inches. So here we go. Floats it out. Gonna be Schluter on the edge. Well, towel guys worked hard, and now we can see how nice it is. And you have, like I said, 2 bottle niches. One for standing, one for sitting. Reach over and grab a bar of soap. And of course we got to get the shower trim on, shower head. And again, we used Schluter. This is a dark colored Schluter here. Don't see that one every day. Okay, and then on the boxes, you put the Schluter edge up. Nice. So there's just a small edge here. Little tiny reveal on the face, and inside is where you see that. But that's how they take care of that. Nice accent there. California beach style. Look at that. Look at that. Nice. Customer designed and chose the tile on this job. No designer, so you can do it yourself. And if you see a tile you like, say I want that one, we'll put it in for you. It's easy. And this area now where the shower was, wide open. They just said leave it wide open and we'll take care of it. We'll put some shelves in there or whatever we want. We're just going to put baseboard and you got it. Now again, we got these trouble spots. There's always the transition issue, and when the door got moved over, it created a gap. I showed you this on another project. This one's a little bit more challenging because I don't think we have any carpet. So I got the customer on a hunt. See what they can come up with. Okay, this is what it looks like when you're done. You get the faucet in there. See, that wasn't so hard now, was it? Nice little vanity. And we're still dealing with the mirror issue, but we're not going to get into that. They're going to put a mirror up there. Okay, now you remember when we came in here, we had very little room here. Now I said it was so narrow you couldn't get your cat through there. Now we can get a walker through there so Grandma can get in here. It's a lot nicer for everybody because we got rid of that setback. Remember that setback was right out here. We moved it over here. Perfect, man, we're just so good. We just moved it right over. The baseboard goes up to that cabinet. Look at that. Come over on this side, it looks like it was meant to be. Little bit of sliver there because the countertop overhangs, but it's perfect. Now when the shower trim goes on, that's what it looks like. In this case, we're using chrome. Looks really nice. And for now, they're using a shower curtain rod. So don't worry about it. We'll do what we want. It's our house. The bottle niches in full use already. So this place has a lot of light. We turn the fan on. Look at the lights. This is the White House right here. Boom, boom, boom. All kinds of light going on. So there's nobody can get scared of the dark on this one. Okay. Transition here has just got some carpet repair. It's basically all you can do. And maybe soften that edge a little bit. But for now, looks like a good deal. Okay, so that's it. Another Long Beach bathroom. And I just tell you, it's what we do. So call me up and do one for you.